My mother died when I was 3 years old to a drug overdose. My father went to rehab for his drug addiction. When I was 10 years old, we moved to Bloomington because my dad started working for Ministries. Me and my siblings grew up there, just doing everything that a kid could want. The day I turned 18, as soon as midnight struck, I snuck out the window. I left a note for my parents. I told them, "Thank you for everything that you've done, but I just want to see what the world has to offer." And little did I know, the very thing I was asking for was the thing that almost took my life. I was 20 years old the first time I tried meth. And I knew that I wanted to feel that way all the time. I began to start a meth making and dealing operation. I would witness things that broke my heart, children in bad situations, parents that I knew needed to stop, but I sold my life to meth. I remember one day I went up to the side of the road, somebody jumped out of the truck and pistol whipped me, and they knocked my teeth out, drugged me back to my house, and made me open up my safe and give him everything I had. I begged for my life because he pointed the gun at me saying he wanted to kill me so bad. I felt like I would have traded anything in the world just to be able to go back in the simple life with my family. But I didn't stop. I got sentenced to prison. When I was released, I saw my daughter for the first time. She was 8 months old, and I remember when I saw her, my knees just buckled. I fell down, and I just grabbed hold of her and cried and said, "I'm sorry." I knew where I needed to go, and that was to the Lord. I went to Wheeler Mission. The first night that I stayed there, I felt such peace because I knew that I was making a good decision. I was surrounded by people that just loved on me and encouraged me. I walked out to the lake late at night and I cried out to God, saying, "Please do something, because I've destroyed my life." God restored everything. And I was able to go right back to the places I used to wander and see the same people, and I was able to tell them what God had done in my life and what He could do in theirs. One of the things I'm most grateful to God for is that He brought me back to where He wanted me all along, and it all came full circle.